If you are ready to set sail with either Royal Caribbean or Celebrity Cruises, then in this video I'm going to show you how to print your luggage tag step by step so you can start your vacation stress-free. First, you will need to head over to Royal Caribbean or Celebrity Cruises website and log into your account. Being they are sister brands, their setup and process is exactly the same. Once you are logged in, go into the My Reservation section. Here you will find all of your cruise details. Your luggage tag should appear about 30 days before your sailing. Look for the link that says View and Print Your Documents, and then the button that says Print Luggage Tags. Click on that. Your luggage tags will be available in a PDF format. Download the file to your computer. Hit the print button and wait for your tags to print. For best results, use a color printer. This will help the crew get your luggage to your cabin easier. After printing, you'll need to cut and fold the luggage tags. Be sure to follow the lines carefully to put them on the luggage. You can either staple or use clear tape to hold it around the luggage. I prefer to use reusable luggage tag holders. These easily slip in, keep it dry, prevent the tags from falling off, and like I said, can be reused for future cruises. Just a quick note, if you are flying into the port, I advise you add the luggage tags to your luggage after you land so that they do not get ruined or lost by the airlines. Now you are all set. Please subscribe for more cruise tips and information. Happy cruising!